if you look at the history of Bangladesh, after the partition of India and after the 1965 Indo-Pak War, when the Enemy Properties Act at that point of time was brought in, millions of Hindus had fled. And the same is true for all minorities in Bangladesh. For the first time after the fall of Sheikh Hasina government, the minorities are organizing themselves to say that this is our land and we have every right to express our grievances. So therefore, it's a new phenomenon for the people who are used to living as second-class citizens, that now they are claiming rights, or they are even claiming, or daring to claim Bangladesh as their homeland. And that policy of, persecuting the Hindu minorities to drive them from Bangladesh is not a new phenomenon. So if you look at the recent practices, on 18th September, you had the biggest rally in the history of Chittagong tracks, where 40,000 tribals had gathered for identity, march for identity at Khagrache. The next day, you had riots, hundreds of houses had been burned down, 4 indigenous persons were killed, and now you have this attack, this congregation on 25th August, where a large number of Hindus came at Laldigi Maidan at Chittagong. And now this is a private complaint which is filed by a former BNP OWA General Secretary, someone called Muhammad Firoz Khan. So if you look at the petition, which I read it, and the main, element for filing the complaint with the UN, the first page contains only the introduction about the accused. Second page contains about exactly 2 sentences in Bengali, which says that the flags of Bangladesh, which are put by the, this anti-discrimination study unit, the flags of Iskcon, we are put on top of that. So therefore, it's an insult to the territorial integrity of Bangladesh, provoking other communities and etc. And, Chinmoy Das ji and others, they are not the main accused. They are basically accused of being conspirators. Now the complainant has not provided a single evidence that actually the Iskcon flags were put above the flags which are put by the Students' Union. Secondly, that those who have put up these flags, we are actually members of the Iskcon. So the entire case is actually, fictitious, and you are targeting the conspirators without naming even who are the main accused who have put these flags. If you put many flags together in a particular pole, when the wind comes, obviously they move around. Does that become sedition? And for the last 21 days, from 20, when the FIR was filed, the complaint was filed on the 31st October, till the arrest on 25th of November, 2 days back, he was not summoned once by the police that you cooperate with the investigation. So you just directly arrest him from the flight. Then what happens? Then you take him all the way to Chittagong, then produce him. And this is the entire, case. If the judge had any sense, he should have given bail immediately. So forget about the international law. Read the page, the complaint put up by this BNP leader. How could a private complaint become so serious when the complainant had not even mentioned these people as the main perpetrators of the alleged offense? These are co-conspirators. It will only come once you arrest the perpetrators or the offenders. Those offenders, they are never identified. So this is a sham.